This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it.
Welcome. Thanks for stopping by on Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. It's just my trade journal market analysis, Tuesday, January 23rd, 24. I'm going to go over ES price action levels, imbalances, draws on liquidity, daily affirmation. I see it and understand, rigid discipline and rules, flexible and outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, and responsible business manager. Left to right, Nasdaq, middle, ES mini, and the US dollar on right. So what I first want to note here on the far right is the dollar. The dollar really dumped low earlier in the Asian session, and now we're above. So what I want to see is if the dollar can gain above Friday's high of the premium candle wick. So that's for the dollar. On the far left, the Nasdaq, similar pattern to the ES mini in the middle. ES mini, you can see we've got a 2-day air gap so far. Our blue line here on the 9 EMA. So this is the air gap right here from price. And price hasn't done much, okay? So we had that Friday expansion candle on both equity indices, left and middle chart, but you can see here we're not really exploring here prior to the RTHAM much premium candle wick above. So I'm not really anything. I'm not bull, I'm not bear, I'm neutral, and I'm waiting. And I've taken a multi-day approach to the end of the month trade anyway, so I'm just doing a lot of patience, but this dollar is key. Let's go to the smaller time frame on the ES next. 15-minute benchmark for the ES March 2024 futures contract on the 15-minute basis. You can see consolidation. We already had the London come in 4884.25 right here. New York midnight open 8150, 4881.50. Very small spread here. And again, prior days RTH open 4885.75. So what we've got here is barely a 5 to 10 handle spread here for just basically hours. The PM high basically for what we had prior day came into this middle of this 15-minute fair value gap and right around the consequent encroachment, 4887.75. PM low prior day, afternoon low, 4874.25. So that contained everything, basically. Very small range. Expansion Friday, small new record high for Monday. And it happened when? It happened in the New York AM session, morning session, and basically 4898.25 is the all-time multi-year high right now. And you could just see there's not a lot of appetite to try to go over. This is a microstructure. I wouldn't be betting the farm on anything here other than sitting on hands, and that's what I'm doing. No new positions, not closing any existing positions, just staying pat on my hand and staying basically for the news events, which are not today. It's going to be later in the week. So that's it. It's going to be a short video because we've got compression, action, not going anywhere, and it's better to just wait for time of day. There's no news at 8:30, so I'm going to just hold off, see what we have. And the New York Kill Zone AM, then the New York AM, Silver Bullet, the macro, all those time zones I'm going to look at, see if we get any kind of expansion one way or another, and look for displacement. Other than that, sometimes trading is just all about patience. That's it. There you have it. It's a quick wrap. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to the OG subscribers and welcome all 2024 new subscribers. I appreciate all of your support. Thank you. Bye.